students, welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 7 on chapter number 2 fractions and decimals, and let's begin with exercise 2.4 of NCERT. Question number 1, find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Now the rule here is whenever there are division questions of fractions, what you do is change your division sign into multiplication, and whatever fraction is given or whatever number is given after the division, take its reciprocal, and if those fractions you are able to reduce it to the lowest term, then you can do so. Now here 12 divided by 3 by 4, 12 will be as it is, your division will be changed into multiplication, and 3 by 4 will become 4 upon 3. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So that's why it became 4 upon 3. Now the equation becomes 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3. And you know 12 and 3, they both are divisible. So my answer comes to 4 into 4, which is 16. Next, 14 divided by 5 by 6. So 14 division will become multiplication and the fraction will become 6 upon 5, which is the reciprocal. Now here 14 multiplied by 6 is 84 upon 5. Since this is an improper fraction, you will convert it into mixed fraction, divide it on the rough side, and you will get the answer as 16 4 upon 5. Third part, 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So 8 into 3 becomes 24 upon 7. Again it is improper fraction. Divide it on your rough side and you will get your answer as 3 by 7. Fourth part, 4 divided by 8 upon 3. 4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. 4 and 8 are divisible. So your new fraction will become 3 upon 2, which is again an improper fraction. Divide it and you will get 1 by 2 as your answer. Fifth part, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Now 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. First converted into improper fraction. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So your equation becomes 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Now change the sign and take its reciprocal. So it will be 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 upon 7. Improper fraction. So converted into mixed fraction. Last part, 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. Now what is 3 4 by 7? 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So 5 divided by 25 upon 7. Change the sign and take its reciprocal. So 5 multiplied by 7 upon 25. 5 up and 25, they both are divisible. So the new fraction is 7 upon 5. Divide it and convert it into mixed fraction. So it will become 1 2 by 5. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper, improper or whole numbers. Now the rule is just to explain you what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, what is whole number. When your numerator is bigger than the denominator or more than the denominator, that fraction is known as improper fraction. When your numerator is smaller than the denominator, that fraction is known as proper fraction. And when you have only number, that is a whole number. So let's begin with it. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? It is 7 upon 3. What is reciprocal meaning? Meaning of reciprocal is numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So 3 upon 7 will become 7 upon 3. 7 is a bigger number, so it is an improper fraction. Second part, 5 upon 8, it will become 8 upon 5. Again it is improper fraction because 8 is bigger than 5. Third part, 9 upon 7 will become 7 upon 9. Now 7 is smaller than 9, so it is proper fraction. 6 upon 5 will become 5 upon 6. 5 is a smaller than 6, so it is a proper fraction. 12 upon 7 will become 7 upon 12. So 7 is smaller than 12. So it is proper fraction. 1 upon 8, it becomes 8 only. It's only 8. So it's a whole number. 1 upon 11 is also only 11. Then also it is a whole number. Question number 3. Again, these are the division questions. Rule will remain the same. Whenever you have division sign, change it into multiplication sign, and the next number or a fraction, take its reciprocal and try to reduce it to the lowest term to get the answer. Now the first part is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. It will become 7 upon 3. Division sign will change into multiplication and 2 will be written as 1 upon 2. So 7 into 1 is 7. 3 into 2 is 6. 7 upon 6 is an improper fraction. Converted into mixed fraction. Divided. The answer comes to 1 by 6. Second part. 4 upon 9 divided by 5. So it will be 4 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Nothing can be divisible. So answer is 4 upon 45. Third part. 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So it will become 6 upon 13 multiplied by 1 upon 7, which is equal to 6 upon 91 as your answer. Fourth part. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 upon 3 divided by 3. Now change this sign and take the reciprocal. It will become 13 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, which gives you 13 upon 9, which is improper. So you need to divide it and convert it into mixed fraction. Your answer comes to 4 by 9. Fifth part. 3 1 by 2. Again a mixed fraction. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2 divided by 4. Change your division into multiplication and 4 as a reciprocal. So it will become 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4, which gives you answer as 7 upon 8, and it's a proper fraction. Last part. 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. Now 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 31 upon 7 divided by 7. It will become 31 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7, which gives you 31 upon 49. So children, always do your question step by step. Even if you know what is the answer, don't forget to write these steps. Question number 4. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So division will become multiplication and next number is your reciprocal. So it will become 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 upon 5 is a new fraction. Next, 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. It will become 4 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 2. Now you know 3 and 9 are divisible. 2 and 4 are divisible. So new fraction is your 2 upon 3. Third one, 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. It becomes 3 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 8. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So what is the number remaining? 3 upon 8. Fourth part, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Converted into improper fraction. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 upon 7 upon 3 divided by 3 by 5. Change it. 7 upon 3 multiply by 5 upon 3. So it will become 35 upon 9 converted into mixed fraction, that is 3 8 by 9. So whenever you are getting improper fraction at the last, you have to convert it into mixed fraction by dividing. Fifth part, 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. So 3 1 by 2 is 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Change it. 7 by 2 multiplied by 3 upon 8. Nothing is divisible. 7 3s are 21. 2 8s are 16. It's improper fraction, divided, and you will get 1 5 by 16 as your answer. Sixth part, 2 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 2. So 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. Convert the mixed into improper. Now change it. 2 by 5 multiply by 2 upon 3. 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. It's a proper fraction. It will remain as it is. Next, 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 is 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 upon 3. Change it now. 16 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon 5. Nothing can get cut. So 16 into 3 is 48. 5 into 5 is 25. So new fraction is 48 upon 25, which is an improper fraction. Divided, you will get it answer as 123 by 25, which is a mixed fraction. Last part, 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. Convert it. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 by 5 divided by 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5. So 11 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 6. Now here 5 and 5 are divisible. They can get cancelled. So your fraction comes to 11 upon 6, which is an improper fraction. So you need to divide it to convert it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 1 5 by 6. So children, we finish here exercise 2.4 of chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Next video I am going to come with exercise 2.5. Please practice these questions. Don't get afraid and don't do shortcuts. Please do the questions step by step even if you know the answers to avoid any sort of mistake which can happen. Till then, students, goodbye and take care.